Hello, I'm David from Winning Solutions. I hope you're having a great day, and thank you for viewing our webpage and templates. At Winning Solutions, we have a huge array of database templates to choose from for almost any business need you have. Buying our developer use versions will get you the entire source code and also allow you to include the template as part of a larger project and customize the database down to the finest detail to meet your company's specific needs. Shrink-wrapped software generally doesn't allow that. You have to use it as is with no customizations. If you don't like the way something works, or want a new feature to be added, or anything of that sort, well, contact customer service. Hopefully they'll get to it in the next update. With Winning Solutions, the licensing is very generous. The app can be used by as many people on as many computers as you want. And applications can be customized to your heart's content by you or anyone else with a knowledge of Microsoft Access. If you don't have this expertise, or know someone who does, Winning Solutions can make any customizations you like, or perhaps build a brand new system from scratch. With Microsoft Access, nothing is ever impossible. If you need it, we can make it happen. Just contact us for a quote. These days, there is understandably a big push for mobile and web-based apps. If that meets your needs better, then we could do that for you too. But Access continues to be a popular tool because it's included with some versions of Microsoft Office, is relatively inexpensive, and is easy to work with for people with limited programming knowledge. So let's take a look at the Student Advisor Help Desk Ticketing Tracking demo. I've already unzipped the database, so I'm going to get ahead and open it. The warning just comes up to warn you that there are macros, and macros can contain malicious code, and we don't know whether we can trust this folder, but all of our templates and databases are safe, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it. And you're getting at a standard wording here. Each time you exit any of the database, the data is deleted. The demo is fully functional, shows all the features of the database. And again, you can buy the full version of this, which has all of the design tools and all of the code, so you can customize this any way you need. So usually what we're going to do with most of these is we're going to go into maintain lists first. And this contains any lookup information that we have. So Student Advisor, help desk ticketing, so we can put some things that relate. Testing, I don't know. You can put anything you want in these lists. We can add more. So if there are multiple locations, you can add, or you have different staff members, we can add locations, add lists in here too. Priority, status, okay. So we will leave that there. And let's put in contacts first. I don't think we have a couple of test contacts in here. Let's add another one just so we can see what this looks like. And so we're going to just add a person's first name. And let's say this is a student here, so we'll just leave the rest of these blank, but maybe home phone. And we're going to go ahead and save. You could save this as an Outlook contact. We're not going to do that here. So we're going to just close. And when we do that search again, we see Mr. Brown here. We can double click to edit and have the same options that we had before, including an email option, which is going to open up in the whatever email client you have. So let's go ahead and close this. Now we want to add a ticket. So don't think we have any here, so we're going to add a new help desk ticket. All right, we're going to assign this to one of our people here, Let's assign it to Mr. Brown. Open by, we'll put this person, priority normal, status in progress, I guess. Category, registration, and put a description, history. You can put in attachments right here. This is for any PDFs or JPEGs that you want to add to be part of this file. That's where you can do that as well. And of course, finally, we have reports. And again, you can put open tickets. I think one we had is open. Yeah, okay. So again, this is intended to be rather generic. It doesn't look real fancy, but the idea is we can build around this, or you could build around this into a full-fledged application. You can import this into a larger application if you just need the functionality of adding appointments, but you already have a system built and running. So I should emphasize again, once you have the full version, this is not like shrink-wrapped software. This can be customized, added to, made into a larger application, made part of an existing larger application. So it's the base functionality that you're getting from us here. And in terms of what you can do with Access, the sky really is the limit. So that's the Student Advisor Help Desk ticketing database. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel for more free videos and other great stuff. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.